Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to transfer WhatsApp from iPhone to Android using my tips and tricks, and you can without loss any kind of data as it is transfer your WhatsApp iPhone to Android. So how to do it? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So let's start as a mobile screen. This is my iPhone. I just simply open here my WhatsApp application. Look at this here, like username, password, some chat. I want transfer such kind of data also in for Android devices, some calling information. So I just simply clear those one. Next, status, chat. So how to transfer? Now I am accessing my Android mobile. Look at this here in my Android mobile. I think here. So I just simply open here WhatsApp application in Android phone. I agree. So I just select here my Indian number 9422237003. Next. So it's okay. So I'm receiving one OTP. 2869. Scan this OTP. Absolutely, continue. Media, easy to send message and photo to friend, family. Allow to WhatsApp application. Continue. Allow, give the permission. Here iPhone message also showing here. In iPhone WhatsApp is disabled here. Wait couple of seconds. So look at this. All data is display here. Comes here. Looking for the backup. So we just check all data are comes or not. If your previous backup Google Drive, select this one. Okay, not really. Wait couple of seconds. Put it here your name, Sangram. Please wait a moment. Initialization going on. So my WhatsApp is transfer for the iPhone to Android device. It's very simple to transfer your WhatsApp iPhone to Android using these tips and tricks. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. Same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.